Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best cordless impact wrench, selected for their efficiency, durability, and consistent torque output across demanding automotive and construction projects. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Makita DTW700 Impact Wrench. The Makita DTW700 Impact Wrench stands out as a professional-grade tool engineered for reliability and consistent performance in demanding environments. Powered by an 18-volt battery system and equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers efficient power transfer while minimizing heat buildup and wear over time. With a no-load speed of up to 7,000 RPM, this model is well-suited for fastening and loosening tasks across automotive, construction, and renovation applications. Weighing approximately 1.9 kilograms, it maintains a balanced feel in hand, allowing for controlled operation without excessive fatigue during extended use. The absence of a battery in the base package gives users flexibility to integrate it into an existing Makita platform, which is beneficial for professionals already invested in the ecosystem. Its CE certification reflects adherence to recognized safety standards, adding confidence for job site use. Overall, the DTW700 delivers a strong combination of durability, speed, and efficiency.
Number 2. ONEVAN Brushless Impact Wrench. The ONEVAN Brushless Impact Wrench is designed for users seeking high torque output and versatility at a competitive level. Delivering up to 1,200 Newton-meters of maximum torque, this tool is capable of handling heavy-duty fastening jobs, including automotive repairs, construction work, and structural assembly. It features a brushless motor that reduces internal friction and eliminates sparking, improving both safety and operational lifespan. With a no-load speed reaching 6,700 RPM and an impact frequency of up to 7,200 IPM, it provides rapid fastening performance while maintaining control through its stepless speed adjustment. The inclusion of multiple gear settings enhances precision, allowing users to tailor performance to specific tasks. Its compatibility with various 18V batteries, including BL1840B and BL1850B, adds flexibility, while multiple package configurations, ranging from tool-only to full kits with batteries and accessories, make it adaptable to different user needs.
Number 3. ONEVAN Lithium Impact Wrench. The ONEVAN Lithium Impact Wrench offers a compact and efficient solution for medium-duty applications, balancing portability with adequate power output. With a maximum torque rating of 500 Newton-meters and an output power of 800 watts, it is suitable for tasks such as automotive maintenance, furniture assembly, and light construction work. The tool operates at a no-load speed of up to 4,200 RPM, paired with an impact frequency of 3,800 IPM, ensuring consistent fastening performance. Its brushless motor design contributes to reduced wear and improved energy efficiency, while also eliminating sparks during operation. This model features multiple speed settings, including 3 forward and 2 reverse gears, allowing users to adjust torque and speed according to the task at hand. Running on a 16.8-volt battery, it prioritizes portability and ease of handling, making it ideal for users who need mobility and convenience.
Number 4. DEWALT DCF900 20-volt Max XR Impact Wrench. The DEWALT DCF900 20-volt Max XR Impact Wrench is engineered for heavy-duty industrial performance, making it one of the most powerful options in its class. Delivering up to 1,396 Newton-meters of fastening torque and an impressive 1,898 Newton-meters of breakaway torque, it is specifically designed for demanding applications, such as heavy machinery maintenance, structural assembly, and automotive repair. Its brushless motor enhances efficiency and extends the tool's lifespan, while also ensuring consistent power delivery under load. The 1/2-inch anvil with hog ring retention provides secure socket engagement, which is essential for high-torque tasks. One of its standout features is the 4-speed control system, including a precision wrench mode that helps prevent over-tightening and fastener damage. Compatibility with DEWALT's 18V/20V Max XR battery platform makes it a convenient addition for users already using the brand. Although the battery is not included, this allows customization based on workload requirements. Number 5. WU139 Impact Wrench. The WU139 Impact Wrench is a compact, lightweight tool tailored for home DIY users and light-duty applications. Weighing only 0.66 kilograms, it offers excellent maneuverability, especially in tight or confined spaces where larger tools would be impractical. Operating on a 12-volt battery system, it delivers a maximum torque of 50 Newton-meters, which is sufficient for tasks such as assembling furniture, installing fixtures, and performing minor repairs. Its 0.18-inch drive design further emphasizes its role as a precision-oriented tool, rather than a heavy-duty impact wrench. Despite its small size, it maintains durability with a brushless motor that reduces wear and extends usability over time. The included battery ensures it is ready to use out of the box, adding convenience for casual users. Overall, the WU139 is best suited for light tasks, offering portability, ease of use, and efficiency for everyday household projects. And that wraps up the top 5 best cordless impact wrench. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.